Hi guys, I want to show you guys the Ansible executing in one task functionality today. And the first step is taking you guys through how to set it up. Now we can set it up quite easily using the new integration user interface. It would be this selection here, a new Ansible connection. I want to take you guys quickly through one that we've already set up. And as you can see here, the name we've given the task is launch plus poll the template. Specific details you can see within, and the fields we will be populating are job ID, polling status, etc. Okay, let's go back to a runbook. Great. So here I've set up quite a short runbook of Ansible for you guys. And one enhancement we decided to do is, instead of having to manually populate the job template ID, which selects which template in Ansible the user would like to run, we made it a searchable field so that there is no error of fat fingering. Let's have a look. Right, so here we have two options. I'll go for the one called Kieran Demo with Wait, as I think that gives us a few seconds of time between execution and hopefully a success status. Upon clicking play, we will expect to see a new row here within our Ansible page. And let me make my screen slightly smaller so you guys can see the actions live side by side. Cool, there we go. And I will kick off the runbook. There we go. The Ansible's auto start is connecting, and we see on the right the new Ansible is running. I think in a few seconds, the Kieran with wait part will stop waiting and the status ought to be successful within Ansible. And we should be able to see the same reflected on the left-hand side within Cutover. So let's look at the gray pill there. It's polling for the status. And it's successfully polled and execution status goes green. Let's look at the details. So there we have the corresponding job ID on the left versus on the right, successful as we know earlier, and the searchable field that we entered before with the job template declared as number 11. So that is our Ansible task all-in-one integration. And a quick shout out to the integrations channel. Thanks to Julio, Jared, and team for having done that. So this is through the cloud. The immediate next step, guys, is to have the same functionality firing within or through Cutover Connect. And on a realistic runbook, Ansible might be a middle task. On a runbook of, let's say, 200 tasks, it's about bringing visibility to the execution and letting those without access to the native AWS console see the status of Ansible builds and be able to react if the build was not successful. That really gives power to the Cutover plus Ansible combo. More to come in a few weeks.